15,000 customers suddenly in the dark, and a small community still found a way to keep the lights on. A pipe broke at the new Colgate Powerhouse, which flooded a PG&E substation, knocking out power across parts of Yuba County and other parts.
Like, what's going on, And somebody says, oh, the power's out. Let me go check the generator. It was running.
In Dobbins, families adapted just as quickly. A Valentine's dance at Dobbins Elementary still happened, powered by generators and community help.
I got a call from my wife saying that it was still on and that I needed to bring the generator and all the lights and keep it going.
There won't be any impact to customers of Yuba Water Agency. However, there are some electric facilities that have been impacted by this.
Power is slowly returning, and Yuba Water Agency says all of their employees were found, and crews are still assessing, trying to figure out the next steps.